everyone, it's Darla. Welcome to Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. I'm Darla. Alrighty, I want to show you a couple of things I was working on over the weekend that are actually complete, almost. I have to sew some ends in. Yeah. Oh, my specs look a little dark because I just took the cat's stinky poo-poo outside. Okay, so first of all, shout outs. Who did I watch this morning? I watched Grandma Benny. She got some Happy Mail. I watched Manic Mama. Do you still call your channel that? I can't remember. But I'm going to link these lovely ladies down below. And Cynthia May, I got halfway through one of your videos. She's showing all kinds of stuff she crocheted. Holy. Okay, so all their links will be down below of these three lovely ladies. And hi, Chris. Hi, Neva. Hi, Cynthia. I don't want to forget to say hi to you all. Okay, so what did I do? Well, Friday night, well, first of all, we were invited to a birthday party. It's a drive-by party for our great niece, who will be 1 at the end of this month, January 2021. And it's going to be easy to remember how old she is. 2021, and she's 1. Okay, so I needed some baby yarn. Went on Michael's website, finally found some that was actually in stock at the Michael's near me. I ordered it online, went there and picked it up the next day, Saturday, which was the first day of our stores being open again. We can buy non-essential. It's not just curbside pickup. Okay, so it was good. I was in and out like in 5 minutes. All right, so the yarn. Will I show you the yarn or the item? I'll show you the yarn. Patons or Patons, I don't know. Astra. And it's a lightweight. Where is it? Where is it? Lightweight 3. 100% acrylic. These are 50-gram balls. There are, how much is on here? Sorry, guys. Oh, approximately 161 yards. And they're, I believe, washable and dryable, made in Canada. And that's where I am. Hi from Canada. I think they're wash and dry. Yeah, probably. Anyway, so I got the color white. Oh, recommended hook size is a 4mm. And so are the needles. Okay, got one in white. I got one in a deep pink. And I got one in a baby pink. All right, so first of all, I was going to make a sweater. So I got some buttons. Also from Michael's. Hang on a second. I'm back. Sorry about that. All right, so the buttons I got, it's 54 piece, and there's a combination of pinks and reds and different shapes. So they're really cute, right? So I had a 30% off coupon, so I used it on this one. I think this ended up being 5 something. And there's 54, so that's pretty good. Wow, I didn't make a sweater. Anyway, I found this really cute pattern, and I'll link it below. It's a tutorial, and it was for a poncho, and I thought, hey, that would be good. You know, she can wear it at whatever age, up to whatever age. Anyway, I screwed up. I screwed up, but I left my screw up because it was a good screw up. All right, so here, well, actually, I think I screwed up somewhere else too, because this started like expanding a lot. Like, anyway, so this is it. So, yeah, my error was this row right here. This was supposed to be done on the inside, so that you can make these stitches here. Well, I did on the outside. I went to frog it and I thought, oh, wait a minute. I like it. I like it. So then I did what I was supposed to do, this on the inside, and then the extra stitches, and then you go under it, and then you do some more. So yeah, so I'm thinking, I don't know, maybe, oh, look, there we go. Looks better like that. There we go. Maybe it's okay after all. Duh. All right, so I guess you can wear it as a poncho. I did put this string in here to pull it tight or whatever. I made pom-poms and ended up throwing them away because I didn't like them, and the yarns were easy to pull out, the yarn pieces, so I might try again. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, okay, so it looks good, right? I don't know, like, I've never had babies, so I don't know exactly if this is gonna fit her or be long enough. I don't know. But I'm thinking maybe she could wear it as a skirt later on. I don't know. Whatever. This is it. Look at those stitches, though. Aren't they pretty? Pretty. So I'm thinking, okay, I got these buttons. I could put a button here and there on the front or something along the band. Where would you put a button or two? Yeah. Huh. Yeah, I have my ends to sew in. But yeah, I'll link that tutorial below, like I said. Yeah, so here's the yarn that I have left. That's the yarn that I've left. So I have enough to make something else. I actually started making a baby hat, and then, it's like, what am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying to find sizes, how many stitches to make for a hat for a 1-year-old that maybe is going to fit her when she's 2 or by the end of this year. I don't know. What do you guys say? Do you guys have a good tutorial for a little baby hat? And oh yes, I made something else for her. I wanted to make her a little card, but I wanted something that would be a keepsake. So you can actually make shadow box cards. I made one before and I put it on my channel. Well, I decided to make a real shadow box card. So this is what I made. And it says, happy first birthday. And then I looked online for her name, Lexi, L-E-X-I, in the images so that I could print it out. I put glossy accents, they're called. You put the dots of this gel kind of stuff. And I'm not sure if it's going to show very well, but I put on the letters so it looks like her name is up in lights. And the background I printed just from the internet. I had to actually brighten it up a bit. It was too faded. And yeah, so I added that and that little star on the end of the fairy's wand. There was already a yellow star on the paper and I had a yellow star. So I stuck it on there. So it's raised, and then the little girl with the balloon, the little girl with the cake, and a little cupcake with a candle, and the little prezzy. So this can be a keepsake for her. Hopefully her parents will put it on the wall of her room. Yeah. And I'm going to have to put on the back that it's from us and that Crafty Yarn Owl made it. Yeah, so what do you think? What do you think? Yeah, I hope she likes it. Alrighty then. So then we hang it here. Yeah, so I think that's it for today. Well, for now anyway. So thank you all for joining me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I mainly crochet, but I do other crafts like this one I just showed you. And yeah, so if you want to come by and talk about some yarn, some yarny goodness, I'm waiting for another Hirschner's order. Apparently it It went through customs, I don't know what it is now, 9-10 days ago. And we're only a couple hours from the border, so I expect to get it in maybe 1 month. I don't know. Things are so slow. Hopefully it'll be here today. That would be awesome. All right, so take care, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe. Please hit the bell so you'll be notified of all my videos. Click like, comment. I love your comments. I have tutorials, crochet tutorials on my channel, mostly wearables. And I will see you all next time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.